Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the 15th elf on Bloxburg. So make sure you have a festive fudge with you. It's the one that looks like this. I already baked mine, well made mine because you don't have to bake a fudge. But I'm just going to go to Riverside and then I'm just going to turn left here. And I'm going to go up this like hill, well up this road sort of. And you're going to basically go to like that tunnel on the left. I know you can't go like in there, but like you can just a little bit, and the 15th elf will be here. So I'm just going to jump out of my car. It's a little bit hard because like you'll go to like neighborhoods, but it's like right here. Give, and voila, that is it. Oh, my character is tired. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!